Hi foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make caramel pudding. Okay, here are the ingredients we need. First of all, we need condensed milk. Take 590 grams of tin. And then we need water full of this condensed milk tin. 3 or 4 tablespoons of sugar as you like. 4 large eggs. If your eggs are a little bit smaller, you can get 5. And finally we need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. First we make our caramel. Take a pan and add 4 tablespoons of sugar into the pan and add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water into it. Switch on the flame until sugar melts and caramelizes. Make sure your flame is very low. When sugar caramelizes nicely, switch off the flame and put all the caramel into the pudding ball. Swirl the ball so as to coat its base and sides with the caramel. Keep aside to cool. Let's make pudding mixture. Get a jar, combine condensed milk and normal water. Make sure your water is in normal temperature. Now time to add eggs. Crack open eggs one by one into the condensed milk and water mixture and mix it well. Finally add vanilla and mix well. Pour filtered pudding mixture into the prepared caramel ball and cover it with lid or silver foil. Steam pudding for 30 to 45 minutes. You may steam in a pressure cooker, steamer or oven. After about 35 minutes, you can check your pudding with a toothpick. Allow the pudding ball to the cool. Refrigerate overnight. Release the edges with the knife. Remove from the ball onto a plate so that the caramel side is on top. Your caramel pudding is ready to taste. Thank you for watching our video. See you again with a lovely recipe.